Hi, this is Japan Watch Hunter, eBay seller, Plain Flower, Chrono 24 seller, Shogun watches. This is a video to show this Tag Heuer watch box for sale. Lots of these boxes in stock at the moment. So if you're a dealer, collector, and you need to buy these in bulk, either check the links below or contact me direct. As can be seen, this comes with a leather holder for the booklets. This is for automatic watches, Calibre 6. No guarantee card, but there is a receipt in this. It's the languages. This is from 2007. This was obviously the receipt for the original watch. It also has a customer service booklet, but this is all in Japanese. Here's the main box. It's in used condition, but still very good. Some tiny little marks and dents, etc. But overall still good. Inside it's nice and clean. Some slight crazing and with age, a little bit of wear, but overall still very good. Bit of crazing here, bit of flaking, which is common on these types of boxes. Some crazing there. Still overall good. All my items are available for best offers. Buying these types of items in bulk, I can give the best prices and we can save on shipping costs, etc. You can either contact me direct or check the links below. Lots of great Tag Heuer watches available at the moment, some great condition watches and some great prices. So just let me know the model number you're looking for and the year, and I will send you photos, prices and details. Check all the links below and please subscribe to see all new stock available all the time. Thank you.